Ooh, the big fish just rolls right out there. There we go. Oh, that has a bigger head shake. Oh, he's pulling. Oh, I gotta be careful. Oh, this thing is freaking massive. We are insane. What are we doing out here? Let's go fishing. Fish on.
Fish on.
This is extreme fishing right here. That's about as much as I got. I think we should drop it in here and just see if there's a fish. What do you think, right in that hole? That would be hilarious. All right, let's see how quickly we can get a fish in the boat. I really don't know what to start off with, so I got a little purple snowy balance leech on the 5-weight. What do you got?
Just a big yummy yellow.
Big old yummy yellow. Probably not retying because our fingers are frozen. Yeah? Nice. Nice. Yeah! Fish. Nice. What did he eat on the dropper?
Bottom fly. A little it was it's one of the same ones that we used on that float trip. Oops.
Nice. Nice little fish. It is snowing again. Seriously, I'm doing my best not to get vertigo and just fall out of the boat. Yeah? Nice. Sweet. Fishing in the dead of winter. Oh, you ate the squirmy wormy. Got one? Jeez. Another fish. Well, at least thanks for doing all the content, as I haven't got shit. And on the squirmy wormy. Nice. Oh, there we go. Nice. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't get skunked. Ooh, what did he eat? He ate the black balanced leech. What do you know? That little guy right there ate the leech. It'd be really helpful if it just pops off. That would make my life so much easier. Oh, look at that. And it did. Thank you. Yeah? Nice. See if we can double up here. Nice. A little bit bigger fish. So those of you that are curious, I got the large Orioles white indicator on. Sorry, it's cold, hard to talk. And I've got the black balanced leech, which is one of my top little micro streamer patterns that seemingly always work here in Stillwater. And then Kobe caught a little, or fish on a little jig leech, or not jig leech, a jig nymph. So I just tied one of those on below the leech. But so far, the one fish I had is on the leech. Kobe's caught one on that little nymph and a couple on the squirmy wormy. Pretty cool. Fishing in a snowstorm. Ooh, there's a rise off the bow. Yeah? Nice. See, that's why I wanted to come out here. That's a nice fish. It's a solid trout. Look at that guy. It's a very large fish. All right. Kobe's catching him on top, so I moved the indicator so my setup's a little shallower. Yeah? Damn it. Jeez.
Yeah, they're like, this is only like 5 feet maybe, 4
Yeah.
5 feet.
That's another solid fish.
Yeah.
Ate this squirmy wormy, looks like.
Yep.
Yeah, that's a good fish.
Yeah, that's probably the biggest one so far.
Nice. Ooh, the big fish just rolls right out there. There we go. Oh, that has a bigger head shake. Oh, he's pulling. Oh, I gotta be careful. Oh, this thing is freaking massive. Oh my God.
Ooh.
Be calm. Just be calm. Just be calm. Just be calm. Just be calm. Oh my God. Yeah. 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 Here it comes. Here it comes. Here comes its jaws. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Great. He's under the boat. Oh no. Here he is. Here he is. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. We make him out of the net.
No.
Oh my God. Look at the size of him. Oh my word, that is huge. Look at his jaw, it's like stuck in the net. Oh my God. All right. Yeah. Oh my God, I don't even know how to. I'm not even sure how to handle this thing. Let's see here. I don't think I can do it. All right, here it goes. Good. Let's see. He's freaking gigantic. Fish on.